Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you today. I've got 7 new pieces from SD Bullion. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Here's the package. Comes very well protected. So these are all going to be 1-ounce rounds today. You can see you get a little card with it. So, very well protected. Maybe we'll be able to get it open without the knife this time. Nope. Go with the Valhalla knife. Open it right up. So it looks like each one has come individually packed. So I ordered 7 different coins today. The Molon Labe Rounds 1, 2, and 3, as well as 2 Kraken rounds and 1 Australian silver Philharmonic coin. So let's take a look. So these first 2 are the Kraken rounds. Pull one out so you can see it. So obviously it's got a ship fighting a Kraken. Lots of detail on there. You can see guys jumping off the ship and the Kraken taking it down with some birds in the background and another ship as well. Very high detail on this one. This is going to be the reverse of all the coins. The Intaglio Mint. I think that's how it said. 1 troy ounce. This is the 2023 version. So very cool. Got the Kraken on there. Next up, I'll show you the Philharmonic. I have 2 of the same of this one as well. The Australian Philharmonic, excuse me. So you can see, got the violins on there. Harp. These are pretty popular online, from what I've seen. The back. This is the only different back. 1.5 euro. Doesn't have the ridges like all the other ones that we've got today. Very cool. Okay, so the first one, Molon Labe number 1. Got the Spartan right there. Looks like a horse and some more Spartans in the background with the inscription there. Very detailed. It's even got a chariot and another Spartan on his helmet. This one has the ridges, and then of course the same backing as the other ones we were looking at earlier. So that's number 1 piece. The second one is probably my favorite. He looks very intimidating on this one, which I'm a big fan of. You can see his full armor. Got the guys in the background with the shields and the spears. The facial expression is pretty wild on this one. Got the inscription up top on this one. That's a very cool round. And then number 3 of the series. I bought all 3 of them when they came available. From the movie 300, We Will Fight in the Shade. So you can see the arrows raining down on this one. With him protecting himself with his dead Spartans around him. And the inscription is a little bit bigger on this one, the Molon Labe. Probably a toss-up between number 2 and number 3 for my favorites on this one. And that's it. That is the order from SD Bullion. Hope you enjoy viewing those. Subscribe, comment below if you liked them. If you want to see the rest of what I have, let me know. Thank you.